31. Vote.
Two against.
And the okay.
Yes.
Did you check it? What's the next office?
100%
For
Piero.
Okay. I am a treasurer. Okay.
We'll get back to you.
The legal advisor has told us of the situation. Please.
About switching.
We are in the county. Okay. Come. Excuse me.
Don't take
Switch to VE. Okay.
Or they withdraw it. So that they declare
we are
We'll
somewhere
make
we
the
will go
announcement.
through the process. When you withdraw, then the other one becomes
Look, what's the result? Then we'll come on with
Go ahead, go
that.
ahead.
Then we'll switch.
Hold on. Let me make a little change on this thing.
Go and flesh it out. Whichever you get idea.
Don't announce it.
Yes.
Don't withdraw. Then you declare the person winner. Yes.
Okay.
If you withdraw,
I agree.
So let me go.
right. So this is present and what's the work of that position? Yes, it's 45. What you have to do is declare it. Right. Who will announce for what about that position?
We already announced that. Somebody not
Nobody will switch it. Everybody will here.
You will
So
constitutional.
we're gonna give them another note.
Yes. Only for two positions.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Talk about what kindness is there.
I go chapel. 1,
Yeah, they did it first. The client is not as supposed.
You go tally. Yeah, just
Yeah.
go ahead.
Okay.
Chief Wick.
Chief Wick.
George, yes.
Yes. Okay. 34. No. 33. This one didn't go. 33, yes.
Larry got that 34. Count, but I didn't see anyone of them that against him.
Thank you.
Thank you. So go ahead. Larry and
It's your camera.
How do you got? Look at. One,
President, position.
one,
HOD recorder.
2, 3, 4, 5, this is right. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
Yeah, let me put this one here.
One absent.
I'm gonna put this one right here in case anybody wants it.
Okay, thanks. Oh, well, he's not doing
No, it's not qualified. Yeah, that body of the audio chairman.
Yes.
Then what you're gonna do?
I got signed.
Now, this is what you should do. I didn't
Okay.
Okay?
Announcement.
No. No withdraw. Then automatically, the runners up. Because he can give him an announcement. That's what they give it advice to do. He said he's going to withdraw, which means that he leaves only one candidate for that position.
Sit over.
I am classification of it.
This is what it is. When he withdraws, then there's only one candidate.
You don't need to elect them. You test them.
After the announcement of
Says done and he came back the second time. Said, yes,
I know what I'm saying. There are two to go for treasurer position. So one
Chuck, what time Peter Moore, the legal advisor, may announce.
please,
May announce here.
Legal advisor, please come
address
up.
Ego. The address we
Okay. Okay. Wait. I may channel with the result process. I'll give it to you.
okay.
Yeah, we need to.
Because explain.
I've just got information that the person from one of the people for treasury wants to withdraw. So you guys will give him an opportunity to come here and announce that he's withdrawing from the moment to withdraw from all the account, which will be already done, announce the winners of the result. Let that one whatever the result is. Then after that, the position that are open, there are only two positions, the vice chair and the head of the president. You will call for nomination. People will nominate the but just to make it smooth, forget about the whatever the process or whatever. People that are present here now, how do you go to further from the affiliates and the president people? More having a balance, let them cast it to those two people. It doesn't matter if you can't lose the as well. What is not?
Okay. Now, I mean, you understand that if, because before the election, before the announcement, that wants to withdraw.
Yes.
They need that.
Date, man.
And people should not leave because, as a matter of fact, if you want to hold them, you can even hold them and say, everyone on withdraw. With this other one.
Yes.
Yes. Because he may not have like you might do that.
I na ha emecha. But before I emecha, o mere ka nlọta na o nwere one of the candidates chọrọ withdraw from the office of the treasurer. Please, can that person step forward and make the announcement for recording purposes?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, before we proceed, please. Come over here. On the camera.
I'll make it going here now. Leave that Jack Daniel alone. Sorry about and that one. That one on the because on that one. On the easiokwu that initially I run now couldn't vote through I run for treasurer. But I'm on a position of the Mma. So for that reason, actually, we may withdraw from that treasurer.
So for that person, onye nke ya na ya na-arụ ọrụzi bụ Dr. Peter Mwogo ọ na-arụ ọrụzi on coach for that post. Ugbu anyị enwere two vacancies, that of the office of the vice chairman and the HOD parliamentary. Can I have nominations, please?
Oh, nominees must be HOD members, please.
Yes. Office of the vice chairman.
Nomination, please. You are nomination for vice chairman?
Yes.
Yes, I nominate because you are not. From Igbo People's Forum of Philadelphia, nominating Dr. Joseph Nosre from One Nedinanda, Washington, D.C.
Who seconds him?
Supported. Me, I will have place.
George Eze.
George Eze.
Igbo Cultural, Southern California.
Igbo Cultural, Southern California. Seconds the nomination.
Any other nomination?
Yes, nomination for office of the HOD parliamentary.
Chairman.
Okay, yeah. Any other nominee for vice chairman?
No. Now move on.
Second announcement?
No.
Third announcement?
No.
Unopposed. Office of the HOD parliamentary. Nominations?
You have to be a HOD representative first. You have to be HOD representative first before you can ask for the position or nominate.
Yes, I'll make the nomination.
Okay.
Yes, sir, delegate. I am nominating Ojemobi.
Can you his initials? Look.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Get up now.
Okay. 2 seconds.
Who seconded him? Who will another person?
Who seconds.
From which organization?
Okay, any other nomination?
Yes, I'm nominate Attorney Moses Nyojekwe.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Chief Chukura.
Can you nominate?
He voted.
He has to be here to accept that.
We pass. Okay, because let's move on. Okay, let's move on.
There was no second.
Someone has to second.
On your second,
Please, can you go ahead? I want you to nominate.
No, go ahead.
The proposal is
Oh, well, the proposal said that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go on.
Any other nominee? Okay.
Did he accept?
All right. Book on. I want in two positions. I want in two positions now. Dr. Nasere, let me just use that, has been nominated for the position of Vice Chairman, seconded, and Luke Onyemobi. Ugo. Okay, sorry, one name. Ugo Onyemobi has been nominated for HOD parliamentarian.
Because it's very important that the only people qualified to vote for the HOD recorder parliamentarian has to be not the board members. So if you call affiliates by the affiliates and the delegates present will vote by the delegates present. And it doesn't matter because right now we have the quorum already. When we started this thing, let them vote. I'm talking about for the recorder. For the parliamentarian, I'm sorry, for the parliamentarian.
All right. I'll vote by name. Book on board the guy that will cast their vote as quickly as possible for these two positions. Let me repeat, Buko, Dr. Nasere. Dr. Nasere for Vice Chairman and Ugo Onyemobi for HOD parliamentarian. These are the two positions. So, Igbo Union Atlanta alone. So, now what? Another time.
Now got the
one vote. Yeah. Buko, let me repeat again. Buko is very important. Onogide under the position of Vice Chairman, Dr. Nasser. I'm here already down there. Denia in place. And for the position of HOD parliamentarian, Ugo Onyemobi. Now, Igbo People's Congress, Austin, Texas. Where are you? Okay? Igbo Organization of New England, Boston, Mass.
Is anybody there from here?
Igbo Union of Greater Miami Valley of Dayton, Ohio. Bukun. Igbo Union of Greater Miami Valley of Dayton, Ohio. Where are you? We are not worrying about crossing now. We are not worrying about crossing now. There's no crossing for that. There is no proxy for that. I don't care. Igbo Cultural Association of Michigan.
It's a floor vote. You get proxy floor vote.
Igbo People's Congress, Kansas, Missouri. Igbo Cultural Association of Southern California.
Yes, sir.
Where? Igbo Association of South Florida, Miami, Florida. Okay. Igbo USA, New Jersey.
HOD from Igbo USA.
Igbo USA, New Jersey. Igbo Organization of New York. Igbo Organization of New York. One day the Number Association of in the Americas.
Which one? HOD or what?
Both of them.
Straight that way, sir.
No, it's here. Yes. It's an Igbo People's Forum of Philadelphia. Umunna Cultural Association of Minnesota. Yes, I'm about to go with you. Near Igbo Igbo. Yes. It's easy for you. Yes, then I will keep announcing it. Umunna Cultural Association of Minnesota. Okay. Igbo Association of Gabon. Igbo Canada Community Association of Toronto. I know when okay. All right, please. Okay. All right. Please. Igbo Union Atlanta, please come and cast your vote.
Atlanta people.
Igbo People's Congress, Austin, Texas. Follow. I do. Which one is this, sir? Austin, Texas, please cast it. How about Igbo Union Atlanta, please? Come and cast your vote. Igbo Organization of New England, Boston. Where are you? Okay. Igbo Union of Greater Miami Valley, Dayton. Greater Miami, Dayton. Okay. Thank you.
With proxy, we're not gonna.
Igbo Cultural Association of Michigan.
Michigan. Any Michigan man here? Or woman?
Igbo People's Congress, Kansas, Missouri. Where are you? Thank you, sir. Igbo Cultural Association of Southern California.
Yes. Come they vote to vote in person.
I don't want to vote.
Yes, I don't want to vote.
Have you voted?
Yes, sir.
HOD, yes. Igbo Association of South Florida, Miami. Igbo USA, New Jersey.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now go. I know that very well. Igbo, New Jersey.
Igbo.
Igbo Organization of New York. Where are they? I know where it is. Leave him. I don't know. You are not. Let him come here for a second. One at the Number Association in the Americas, please. We are not going to give anybody that is not good. Igbo People's Forum of Philadelphia, please.
Nice shot.
Umunne Cultural Association of Minnesota. Igbo Association of Gabon. No, sir. Or the vice chair. No, sir. And then Igbo Canada Community Association of Toronto. Igbo Canada Community Association of Toronto, where are you? Okay, please. Is there anybody here that still has a ballot that hasn't cast the vote? Anybody?
Yes, just one person.
Please. Time is up. Essence for us.